If you've never seen the Lime Burst colorway before, the midsole, curving TPU stripes, and lightweight textile foundation underneath all prominently feature the color from the name. Vibrant signal coral envelops the toe, while blue burst lands on the lining and laces. The tongue and collar are both black, and the latter has Dame's trademark emblem on it. Naturally, the terrible Achilles injury that Lillard sustained during the 2024-25 NBA playoffs has to be brought up whenever the Adidas Dame X is discussed. We might never see Dame don his 10th signature Adidas model because Achilles injury recovery takes a long time. On a more upbeat note, Lillard has already started getting better on a specialized treadmill. Returning to the sneaker in question, the Dame X Lime Burst is set to be on sale August 3, 2025, through Adidas and retail outlets. At retail, the Dame X costs only $90 US.